Lydia, what's your favorite food?
My favorite food is cookies.
Okay, what's your favorite food?
My favorite food is cheese.
Cheese, okay, what's your favorite food?
My favorite food is candy.
Candy? Oh, okay, I have that. Okay, perfect.
If that's a food, of course, but...
It is.
It is? Okay.
Can write here. Okay, perfect. So, I can fill in my bingo sheet. Aha! So, here I've got things, movies like Harry Potter and Star Wars, bands like the Beatles, food like pizza or broccoli, activities like swimming, or video games like Minecraft. And we'll do it two ways. Number one, the simple one for kids that are not that good in English. If you want to teach them, yeah, they have to learn. They have to learn. You can do it with Do you like Star Wars? Yes, I do. Write their name. Do you like candy? Yes, I do. Write their name. And if they get a line, if they get one of the line, they get a bingo. Now we'll play it with what's your favorite food? What's your favorite movie? So you have to ask a lot of questions to a lot of people to get someone to say, my favorite movie is Harry Potter. My favorite food is hamburger. Okay? So you need a marker. May I have a marker, please?
May I have a marker, please?
Here you go.
Thank you. I want
Here you
blue.
go. Here you go. Blue marker.
You.
I was going to say that.
I said it
Here you
first.
go. Well, I take the brown marker. No one wants the brown marker.
No.
May I have a paper, please?
May I have a paper, please?
Here
You guys are so loud.
No, I said on the same time.
Now, are you guys ready?
Yes.
Remember, what's your favorite food? What's your favorite movie? What's your favorite holiday, etc. Ready? And go! Okay.
What's your favorite holiday?
Now, to make things easy, when someone is free, they raise their hands. Okay?
Okay.
Can we do that?
Yep. Yeah.
Go!
What's your favorite sport? What's your favorite sport?
Is
My favorite game is
football.
Minecraft.
Oh, yes.
What's your favorite vegetable?
Broccoli. What's your favorite
vegetable?
My favorite movie is Harry Potter.
Is carrot. What's your favorite vegetable?
Video game.
My favorite vegetable is...
Cool.
Ask me again.
What's your favorite?
What's your favorite winter
video game?
Minecraft. My favorite.
Bingo!
Bingo?
Oh no!
We had two bingos. Nice. Now we can continue until 5 or 6 people get a bingo if it's a big group. Okay. But excellent job. High five. High five. Excellent job. Thank you very much. Bye.